Hello future chartered accountants, Divya this side, Hare Krishna Radhe Radhe. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. So looking at the thumbnail, you must have got the clarity that what this video is about. So yes, I cleared my SPOM Set B, which is cost exam, in by studying in 3.5 days. And how did I do it? I'll tell you in this video, so just stay tuned. ये वीडियो बहुत ही short and crisp रखने वाली हूँ. So just you can take all the insights which are helpful for SPOM Set B. First and foremost, I started 5 days back of my exams to study SPOM Set B. But the thing happened was whenever I used to open YouTube, it was just like there's a lot of content, then you get confused what to pick and what not to. So it basically took me 1.5 to 2 days to decide from which teacher I should do my revision and from which teacher I should go on with my practicals and theory and all that. So I'm just gonna tell you very short and simply. The one disclaimer here would be, if you want to score like around 60, 70 to 75 marks, then this video is really helpful for you. If you want to score above that, then whatever I am saying in this video, apart from it, I'll also tell you the additional thing that you can do. So you can do whatever I have done plus what I'm going to tell you, equal both of the things. Then you can score, I think, above 80 to 85 marks. Okay, so that would be also disclosed in the video. So first we'll talk about if you want to score around 60 to 70 to 75 marks. For that, I'll tell you just do 3 things. You have to go for 3 materials that I have gone. First is for theory, you need to watch Sankalp Kanasthia sir's 19 videos playlist. उसमें एक वीडियो इज अराउंड 10 to 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, all right, this is the average time is 15 to 20 minutes of those videos. So you can consider watching those 19 videos that are in the same playlist only. If you want, then comment down. I'll give you the link of that video playlist, or you can just search by yourself. All right, then apart from it, for theory, I watched three videos. That was part 1, 2, 3. That was whole based on practical, and the teacher's name was Adi Ahmed sir, and so he has made 3 videos in parts of all the practical questions. Like those questions are basically from ICAI module and ICAI BOS portal. So that is a very good video to refer, because if you have not of enough time with yourself, then these things can be really helpful for you. So yeah, these are the things which you can consider in your mind. Apart from it, the third thing I referred was Vaibhav Bansal sir की 70 pages की compiler है, जिसके अंदर mostly there are theory questions, like theory concepts लिखे हुए हैं. So you have to refer those theory questions, and then back of the chapter you are getting these questions per chapter, so you can just solve them. So to get an idea कि what are the important kind of practical questions that could be asked. So these are all the things that I have done. First is theory के लिए संकल्प कनस्थिया सर के 19 videos that are in the same playlist. For practical, I watched Adi Ahmed sir के those 3 practical videos, and apart from it, for like both of them like kind of revision, I did Vaibhav Bansal की that book 70 pages का compiler. If you want, I'll just provide you a link in the description. Apart from it, I tried to do ICAI module, but I couldn't do it because I did not have enough time, so I did not do it. But if you guys have time, like you are thinking to give 10 days around to give the subject, which you can give to score good marks if you want, so you can consider doing module also, because module has some different kind of questions also. There are theory questions also you can cover from module, so that's your call. But if you want to score around 60, 70, 75, then you can actually score these marks by just referring these 3 materials. Why I scored 60 is the reason I feel was that I did not do this transfer pricing wala chapter nicely, but the transfer pricing chapter is really important. They usually ask question from these chapters. I've asked many of my friends who had given this SPOM B, so they have told me that transfer pricing question is something I've heard from them always, like this particular chapter is constant, so they ask a question from this chapter. Okay, so this is what you can do if you want to score around these range of marks 60 to 75. But if you want to score above 80 to 85, then you can additionally, apart from all these 3 contents or resources that I told you, you can do ICAI module, because as I've told, I did not do ICAI module actually seriously. So you guys can actually consider doing ICAI module very nicely, watching all the chapters, learning it and all that. So you can consider doing ICAI module. Apart from it, you can watch Atul Agarwal sir ke videos. Recently, the one who is teaching SPOM Set B is Silky ma'am, so you can watch video of her as well. I did not find it very helpful, because that was very monotonous to watch like 2 hours per chapter, so I did not do it. If you guys want to score very good marks, then you can consider doing that. And yeah, this is the video, guys. I have told you, if you want to score this particular marks, you can go for this contents, these kind of contents or resources, and if you want to score above that, you can go for these kind of resources. So this is the video, and yeah, all the best for your SPM exams. So yeah, this is the video, guys. And if you have this question that abhi we are just doing it in 3.5 days, and then IBS mein final maybe this particular question would be asked, like the subject would be asked, so what we are supposed to do then? So I feel that this is a very short chota subject, not a very big subject. So at that time we can just start, buy a note of a particular teacher and then refer it, so that we don't have to write by ourselves. बहुत मेहनत हो जाती है इसके लिए. So I don't consider writing notes too much. I believe in just watching all the content. So this is not applicable for all of us, because some people like making notes, some people do not. I am those some people who doesn't like making notes and all that. So I'll be at the time of my final, I'll just order a book of some teacher who is teaching SPMs at Be Good. And so this is my take on this subject. And yeah, I hope you guys find this video useful and helpful. So consider giving this video a big fat thumbs up, and yes, subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to come up with more videos like this, SPM Set A also. And if you want for C and D also, then just comment down. I'll come up with those videos as well. Thank you. Bye bye.